Welcome guys to the hardware set info channel. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Google Feed on this device. Alright, so firstly to do this we have to open our settings, and now we have to here scroll down a bit and find advanced features option. Now we have to click on the side button, and here we have to choose open app, and now here we have to choose Google. And now as you can see, when we double press our side button, now here we have our Google Feed. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.